Here we go. Honda 135, we're out here on the ice, state land. Junior's about to take out the 400. She's got the updated systems on her. She's got a set of headers. They're starting to darken up a bit. Yeah, they're turning purple. I don't have my jet kit in yet, but I'm not beating on it, so.
Did you order one yet, Dad?
Huh?
Did you order one yet?
Yeah, it's already coming in the jet. It's getting a little purple, not bad. I'm not holding it wide open. Actually, it runs a lot, it runs better. It runs better like when you first start it cold. It needs less choke when you start it with this exhaust. He's about to rip it. We're out on the ice, out on the Wessel Park. Pretty good ice out here. Fire it up. That's a hell of a bike right there. A lot of power. Yeah, baby. You got a lot of snow on this ice. It's probably about 4 or 5 inches out here. It's whipping hard right now. You just whipped it. Oh yeah, buddy. Probably fourth. That's definitely right there. Fourth. Oh yeah, that's a hell of a drift. Look at this, look at that. That kid's gonna be able to drive a car. That's a hell of a drift, bud. Okay, here's gloves on. Pretty good bike. Really something to tell you in the walk. These are nice grabbers, man. Alright, Honda Bond 35, we're out on the ice. We gotta fix the 300. She got a little wire problem, the power wire. She does it to us every once in a while, so we're gonna fix it. We'll see you guys in a bit. Subscribe. A lot of you guys don't subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. Help a guy out. What's the big deal? You know how it is with social media. It kind of makes you feel, you know, like what the hell. But yeah, a lot of you guys that watch aren't subscribed. Subscribe. Alright, later. What the hell?